Are you a sports fan? Well, even if you are not, there are millions of buffs around the world. People watch competitions to share the unique sense of unity evoked by team cheering. Games are exciting, entertaining, and thrilling, but as an affiliate marketeer, you must be wondering how to also make them profitable. Hi guys, this is Consta. Welcome to another Propeller Ads video guide with today's subject, blockbuster sports campaigns for affiliates, part 1, targeting. The Champions League and the World Cup are around the corner, and other sports events happen here and there all the time. Do not overlook them. We want to share the secret knowledge of our sales team and show you how to launch a profitable thematic campaign smartly. So, in today's video, we will discuss targeting, where to find the hottest GEOs, which formats are the most converting, how to choose the optimal pricing model. Also, we will show you how to break through possible limitations. By the way, subscribe to our channel to get more videos. We're going to have a whole series about sports and more. Let's go! We will start with GEOs. Logically, whenever you aim at sports fans, you need to target users from a relevant GEO. If, for example, this is Germany and England on the field, well, you target Germans and Brits first of all. But large games, let's say Real Madrid versus Barcelona, are popular around the globe, so mind how local the game is. What is more, according to our statistics, there are some stable GEOs with high sport traffic performance. You can see them on the screen right now. They are evergreen. At this point, we can take the Arab Cup as an example of a very local tournament, while the Champions League is something quite the opposite. People all over the world watch it, and you can benefit from both. So let's start with the Arab Cup. Here are the general Saudi Arabia statistics during the Arab Cup 2021. As you can see, there is no iGaming here. It's because it's prohibited in Saudi Arabia, but users are also interested in finance, media, surveys, and sweepstakes offers. By the way, we also recommend experimenting with utilities because this GEO is super rich for mobile traffic. Here is a proof, statistics by platforms and devices. As you see, Android is a total leader here. Even though these statistics are related to Saudi Arabia, the situation with other GEOs is pretty much similar. Again, this is a good reason to try mobile utilities. To sum up, here are the basic targeting settings if you're taking advantage of a local tournament with geo restrictions like the Arab Cup. Also, we included ad formats and pricing models optimal for any sports event related campaign. CPM or Smart CPM and interstitials plus on-click pop-unders. You can try push notifications with CPA Gold model as well. Just do not forget to set S2S tracking when using this pricing model. Okay, you must be thinking, and where is iGaming? Where are online games, deposits, bonuses, quizzes, voting? Right you are, iGaming works well when it comes to sports traffic. However, while choosing this vertical, make sure you do not work with GEOs where this entertainment is not allowed. Here are some examples. How about the World Cup and the Champions League? These are really important tournaments with huge audiences and people get really active during that time. Let's check the traffic spike during the Champions League final on the 28th of May 2022. Here are the impressions, total and growth. Do you want to see more numbers? Okay, we have them. Here is how different platforms performed. Android mobile showed really impressive results. Now, let's see top 5 verticals that worked really well during the Champions League. We have to tell you that all verticals performed exceptionally well, but the real champions are iGaming and utilities. They are the most relevant during sports events. Let's see what your campaign might look like according to all the numbers we have seen. Now, let's sum up. GEOs. Focus on GEOs of playing teams or evergreen ones, plus big games. They are popular all over the world. Check the list of recommended GEOs in this video description. Verticals. iGaming and utilities offers work great for most GEOs. Try these pricing models and ad formats. And don't forget about Propellerad's cool tools. Let these tips help you launch not only during the World Cup 2022, but also on any other sports event. See you soon, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We have more videos on football campaigns coming up. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.